You want to learn candle making? Well, here's 7 best candle making courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Professional Candle Course Online by StartupYo. This is a comprehensive course that will guide you in making your candles. They provide step-by-step instructional video, notes, and e-certificates. Topics covered in this course are: selection of wick, how to choose molds, information about equipments, introduction about candle industry, different types of waxes, introduction to colors, precautions while making candles, finishing, packaging. The best part of this course is that it makes candle manufacturing super easy. You will learn industrial expertise. You will know what candles are all about. You will learn the realistic knowledge of various kinds of candles. You will learn to choose the right ingredients and equipment. You will learn to avoid the problems faced while making candles. You will gain information about safety guidelines while preparing candles. This course is for everyone who is interested in the art of making candles. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Candle Making for Personal Use and to Build a Business by Udemy. It is the easiest and simplest candle making course. Spend some time to gain the knowledge of all the capacities you need to start a great candle making business. Topics covered in this course are: overview of the candles, getting started, candle maths, step-by-step guide, gel candles, molds, drinks candle, dessert candles, troubleshoots. This course is directed to boost the integral knowledge, skills, and attitudes to make various candles. You will learn to make many kinds of distinctive candles step by step. The best part of this course is that it guides you to make candles from locally available ingredients which are easily available. You will learn about the basic equipment that is needed to get started. You will learn to fix problems that are faced during manufacturing of candles. This course is for everyone, whether they are interested in making candles for their personal use or starting up a business. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Fabulous Candle Making for All Candler Level 1 certified by Udemy. This course provides you all that you want to know in order to make beautiful and bright candles. Topics covered in this course are: disclaimer and section notes, history of candle making, easy way of making candles, candle making terminology, all you never knew about candles, wicks, and more wicks, fragrances, coal-lowering candles, equipments for candle making, safety, the how-to section, your finishing touches. The course aims at impartial, beneficial, and realistic ability, where you can generate various methods to make your very own candles. You will learn to make candles at home all by yourself. You will learn about various types of wicks that are used in candles. You will learn to make inexpensive candles from the easily available ingredients. You will learn about the tools and equipment used while manufacturing candles. This course is for everyone who is creative and wants to make special and beautiful candles. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Fabulous Candle Making for All Level 2 Candler certified by Udemy. This course is a complete step-by-step guide for making various kinds of candles. Topics covered in this course are: molding candles and wax, types of candle molds, gel wax candles and decoupage candles, candles and flowers, creation station, marbling candles, layered candles, wax melts, your section. The best part of this course is that you will learn to make candles by various methods. You will learn to create beautiful masterpiece candles. You will learn about different waxes that are suitable for making candles. You will learn 3 types of ways in which gel wax is used. You will learn to use different techniques safely. This course is for everyone who is interested in learning the skill of candle making. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, How to Make Candles, Candle Making for Beginners by Udemy. This is a complete course for beginners which provides a step-by-step method to manufacture candles for personal use as well as for gift items. Topics covered in this course are: improve your course experience, getting started, making pillar candle, making container candle, candle safety and testing, specialty candles, beeswax candles, decorating candles, troubleshooting, bonus section. You will get information about various types of waxes and how to use them. You will learn to choose and use the best fragrances. You will learn to decorate candles suitable for various occasions. You will learn the flexibility of using ingredients to your candle. You will learn to avoid toxic agents that are often found. This course is for everyone who wants to start learning the skill of making candles. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, A Beginner's Guide to Making a Candle by YouTube, free course. This course provides you with an entire playlist of the process of making your own candles through low-cost materials. Topics covered in this course are: why is candle making fantastic craft, how candles work, how to choose candle molds, how to use candles safely, best way to melt wax, equipments required, how to use dyes, how wicks worm. You will get an introduction on the need to manufacture your own candles. You will learn about various equipment used. You will get to know the ingredients used in the process of candle making. You will be provided with a step-by-step procedure which makes it easy to understand and to implement. You will be provided the information on how to avoid mistakes. This course is for beginners who want to learn the craft of making candles. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn perfume making, click on the I button. 7th Course Online Candle Making Course by YouTube, free course. This course gives you an entire playlist for preparing various kinds of candles. Topics covered in this course are homemade rose candles, rose pillar candle, hurricane candle, soy wax candle, beautiful scented candles, beautiful gel candles. You will learn the process of making candles in detail. You will learn about various essential elements of candles. You will learn to make products that can be sold, used or gifted. You will learn to avoid certain common mistakes done while making candles. You will learn to make different kinds of candles and know about different ingredients used. This course is for everyone who is creative and interested in learning various kinds of candles. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.